How do you fix the mind of these liberals and the lefties and the Torah haters and the pro-gay activists and everything that is anti-God lovers? How do you fix their mind? Is it possible to fix their mind, or that's it? It's a lost case. The answer, ילכו אצל החכמים. They have to be attached to the חכמים of the Torah, the rabbis, שהם רופאי הנפשות. They are the doctors of the souls. וירפאו את חוליים בדעות שמלמדים אותם. They will start teach them the correct way of the Torah. And every time they resist, Rabbi, it's racist. It's not racist. If it was my opinion, it's racist. If it's God's opinion, it's not racist. He decides what's better than what, because he made everything. And if he say this nation is better than the other nation, end of story. And if he say you have to kill Amalek, he knows what he's talking about.